Hi, Boston web designer Fan here. We are running here in Boston, but look at the greens. I started my career as a graphic designer, so I'm very sensitive to color. Can you tell how many shades of greens you can count? It's amazing. It's so beautiful. This is the springtime in Boston. It's the reason people in Boston are really patient to wait for this moment. It's gorgeous. Nature is the best artist. We're going to have a lot of rain this week, so I'm sure it's going to quickly get into the summer here. Have a good day.